going to call the writing 6 unwanted word or phrase list. Okay. Words or phrases, and we're going to add to this. Some of you use these, some of you don't. Some more than others, some less than others. But these are words and phrases we don't want to use so much. Okay, less. Okay, maybe only once. Some of these words we don't want to use at all. Maybe show is okay. But these are common words that are too informal in academic writing. So we want to, if we use these, we want to find a synonym, another word that will really express what our meaning is. Okay. So, for example, there are, and this is something that we teach, you know, in writing 3, to use there are. So, then we want you to move, that's in the basic when you're learning English. Now we want to move beyond that, okay, and to use something that's more active. And a lot of times when we have there is or there are in a sentence, it means there might be a noun there that's actually we could change into a verb and make it an active sentence. So here's an example. There are many experiences you can have when river rafting. Just like the test we just had, the topic of our test. So here's how I changed it and got rid of there are. You went right away. And I took this word, which is a noun here, and made it into a verb. Okay. So you can experience many things when river rafting. Okay. Does everybody see what I did? So it makes the sentence more active. Whereas there are is simple. There is. Okay, it's a simple tense, simple verb tense. Okay. So here I can make, and that makes your writing more alive too, more active when you use this. Okay, more direct. Now, but we still have a problem. We have one of these words on our list, things. A thing. Okay. What does exactly that mean? What does that exactly mean? Things. What do you think that might mean? You can experience many things. Does that mean I'm going to experience bicycling and let's see, maybe cooking a steak and okay. So it's not those things, but things is kind of, so things is not very clear, right? So we want to say something. So if you're going down, you just read that essay where you had on the test and you had to put in your thesis statement and conclusion and identify the kind of sentences. So what might be some things about river rafting that these people experience? Remember, if you look on that picture that was there, remember that picture, the people in the raft? What's going on?
There were special safety jacket.
Okay, that's good. They're wearing a safety jacket.
They were laughing.
They're laughing.
Feel exciting.
Okay, laughing. They're excited. What else?
Challenge.
Thrilled.
Thrilled.
Nature.
Okay. What are all all these things?
Feelings.
Ah, feelings. Great. Oh, we'll leave this here. And, or what's another word for feelings?
Emotions.
Good. Yeah. Okay, those might be good substitutes for things. Wow, we just did that in maybe 10 seconds. We came up with something for different for things, right? Let's go to nature. What are some things about nature they might see?
Threatening.
I mean, as far as, so there, where are they?
The river.
River.
So that's part, a river is part of nature, right? What else are they going to see? Mountains? Okay.
Rocks.
Plants.
Rocks.
Rocks? Yeah, there's always rocks when you're whitewater.
Yeah.
That's why there's all that white water splashing up, because it's rushing and hitting the rocks and splashing up.
Plants.
Plants? Okay.
Water everywhere.
Okay.
Fish.
Fish. Yes. Fish.
Sunlight.
Okay.
Fresh air.
Okay.
Why not?
Wow, a lot of different things that have to do with nature, okay? So, you can experience many feelings when river rafting, okay? One of the ones I would say is this one too. You're going down there and there's a big rock. Is that guide or the instructor in the back going to be able to get us away from that? Or am I going to have rock for lunch? Okay, rock sandwich.
Also have bread. 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 Bread.
Brave. Okay. So, yeah, we would say courage or bravery. So, we can experience many emotions when river rafting. And we can even say, such as, different ones, okay? Now, but how about nature? We can experience many nature when river rafting? Can't say, does nature count or non-count? Non-count, right, we can't put an S on it. So we can't say we can experience many natures.
Much.
Many natural elements.
Okay. Great. So we might have to turn this word, nature, which is a noun, into something different, like an adjective. Okay. Natural elements. Okay. And that means all these different things in nature. Okay. You can experience many natural elements when river rafting. So now we've got something more academic than things. Okay. I have many things in my pockets, but they're not for river rafting. Okay, they're for keys. For teaching. So I gotta be, when we're writing, we wanna be specific, right? We don't wanna give something too general. So that's why I put thing on the list and stuff. I think most everyone has stopped using stuff. So these are words that, these two are two examples we don't want to use when we're writing essays. Okay. Say what exactly those things are, okay, or that stuff is. Now these other ones are verbs, and we're gonna add to this list over the next. We're almost midterm, So the last 4 weeks, we're gonna add to this list.